how to buy Bitcoin with Trust Wallet, buying BTC in Trust Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can buy Bitcoin with Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to buy Bitcoin with Trust Wallet, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Trust Wallet app and just make sure that you're signed into your account. And once you're signed into the account, right over here you'll find a buy option, so you can tap on the buy option here. Now here, depending upon which crypto you want to buy, since in this video we're talking about Bitcoin specifically, I will select that. Now enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy. So if I say I want to buy Bitcoin for $1,000, I will get 0.014598 BTC. So if I want to buy for, let's say, $10,000, I'll get this much. Choose a payment method from here by selecting credit card, Google Pay or bank transfer. This might be varying depending upon the country that you live in, so be careful on that. Then tap on buy option, enter your card details, choose your provider, and your purchase will be successfully made. This way you can buy Bitcoin with Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.